तो हर जगह रिलेटेड है। ये कहते हैं अगर स्ट्रेस होगा तो भैया पीटीएल के चांसेस ज़्यादा होंगे। मेजर लाइफ इवेंट्स हैव एन एसोसिएशन विद प्रीमेच्योरिटी एज डज द फीटल स्ट्रेस और फीटल ग्रोथ रिटार्डेशन। A link between maternal stress and PTL is suggested by its increased prevalence among unmarried and poor mothers, as well as in stressful sociographic conditions such as loss of employment, housing, or partner. Prematurity is also more common among women reporting increased stress or anxiety. The biochemical pathway through which maternal and fetal stress promotes PTL is uncertain, but may involve a premature increase in circulating corticotropin releasing hormone. तो हो सकता है CRH की वजह से सब आफत होती है। खैर, ये सब कॉजेज हैं जितने मैंने डिस्कस कर लिए हैं अब आपको। अब कैसे मैनेज करें इसको? अप टू 70% ऑफ वुमेन हु प्रेजेंट विद threatened PTL to the labor ward will not deliver during the current admission, and up to 50% will not deliver until term. तो deciding who and who is not in PTL has been helped by testing the cervicovaginal fluid level of fetal fibronectin. ये बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टेस्ट है। A glycoprotein found in cervicovaginal fluid, amniotic fluid, placental tissue, and in the interface between the chorion and decidua. It acts like a glue at the maternal fetal interface, and its presence in cervicovaginal fluid between 22 to 30 weeks of gestation has been shown to be a predictor of premature delivery. Negative F testing has a very high negative predictive value, enabling most women with threatened PTL and a negative fetal test to be sent home. Those with positive can be admitted for tocolysis and steroid for fetal lung maturation. तो इस टेस्ट की इतनी इंपॉर्टेंट है फीटल फाइब्रोनेक्टिन की। अगर ये नेगेटिव है तो आप पेशेंट को घर भेज सकते हो कि भैया अभी तुम्हें डिलीवरी नहीं हो रही, अभी परेशान मत हो। Tocolytics are used to delay delivery long enough for corticosteroid administration to improve neonatal functions and, if necessary, for in utero transfer to an ICU. The current guidelines from the Royal College of Surgeons, if tocolytics are administered for the medical treatment of PTL, the first choice should be a calcium channel blocker, basically nifedipine, or an OTR antagonist, atosiban. However, a recent review and network analysis on trials of tocolytics found that prostaglandin inhibitors and calcium blockers are most likely the best therapy for this, on the basis of delaying delivery by 48 hours. Neonatal mortality, neonatal respiratory syndrome, and maternal side effects. The different type of tocolytics are discussed below briefly. अब इनके बारे में बात करते हैं। Beta sympathomimetics. Beta agonists, ritonavir, salbutamol, terbutaline are predominantly beta 2 agonists which mediate myometal relaxation by stimulating cyclic AMP. They are effective in delaying delivery but do not improve neonatal outcome or ultimate PTD rates. Furthermore, they have a significant maternal side effects, which means they are rarely used in context of threatened PTL. तो इसलिए अब इनको यूज नहीं करते, although globally they are still used. The most serious side effects is pulmonary edema with an estimated incidence of इतना. Maternal death from acute cardiopulmonary compromise